If you've ever closed a tab in Firefox by accident, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to bring it back in just a few seconds. This is one of those simple browser tricks that can save you a lot of frustration, especially when you're working on research, shopping, email, or anything important that you didn't mean to lose. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to guides just like this. First, let's use the easiest method. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift, and T at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and T. The moment you do that, Firefox will restore the most recently closed tab. The great part is that you can keep pressing the same shortcut again and again, and Firefox will reopen closed tabs in the exact reverse order that you closed them. So if you accidentally closed a few tabs in a row, you can bring them all back one by one without having to search for them again. This shortcut is usually the fastest recovery method, and it works great when you just need to undo a mistake immediately. Now, if you prefer using the menu instead of a keyboard shortcut, Firefox gives you another easy option. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, move down and click History. In the History menu, you'll see an option called Recently Closed Tabs. Click that, and Firefox will show you a list of tabs you recently closed. This is useful if you don't want to restore everything and only need one specific page back. Just click the tab you want and it will open right away. If you want to bring back everything from that recent session, you may also see an option to reopen all tabs, which can be a huge time saver if you accidentally closed multiple tabs at once. So, whether you like using the shortcut or the menu, Firefox makes tab recovery very simple. The keyboard shortcut is best for speed, while the history menu is great when you want more control over exactly which tab comes back. And if you're someone who closes tabs often, it's a really good habit to remember both methods. That way, no matter what happens, you have a quick backup plan to recover your work and keep browsing without starting over. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Firefox tips and browser shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.